Hey, welcome to Teleku Video. This is episode number 8, and we're going to pick up with the speak tag. I know we've talked about it in the past. It basically allows you to read a word or a sentence or a paragraph using text-to-speech. And it's accessible via XML or JSON by calling the Teleku phone web service. It's a phone markup language tag. And by default, we use a voice called Allison, who can just read numbers, whatever she has to read. Um, we also have a new voice we're introducing called Soledad. Soledad can read. She can read English in a kind of a Spanish dialect sound, but it's just still English words. And until she reaches numbers, currency, dates, etc., then she speaks those back in Spanish. So that's a pretty cool feature. What we just added is something no other cloud communications company offers today. We just added Google Translation services to our API. So you can tell it to translate a string of text uh, from English to Spanish to French to German to Swedish and vice versa. And we basically support Google's entire stack of languages to and from. So let me give you step by step. I'll walk you through Allison first so we can hear the default speech.
Welcome to Teleku. Please enter the extension number of your application.
41.
12345 Hello World.
Pretty basic. That's what you've been experiencing. So now let's edit this scratch pad and we're going to add voice equals Soledad. And what we'll see is she'll speak the numbers in Spanish and then she'll just read hello world, so she won't know how to translate that.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, hello world.
So she did a good attempt at trying to say hello world in English, couple of words in a Spanish dialect. Now, this is where the cool magic happens. Let's keep Soledad and let's say translate equals, and we'll say English pipe Espanol, EN pipe ES, put that in quotes, and that's the Google format of translation. So it's what language it's in, what are you translating it to. And let's have Soledad read this now. Now it ought to be all converted to Spanish, including the hello world.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, hola mundo.
Hola mundo. All right, so that's pretty cool, huh? Let's hear some French or German or Swedish. Let's drop the Soledad. Actually, you know what? I should probably keep Soledad in here, but you're gonna have to remove the text because she's gonna want to force it to read as Spanish. But let's do English to French of Hello World, and we'll keep Soledad's voice. So she said "Hola mundo" a while ago. I don't think that's what it is in French. Is that cool or what? Let's hear this in German. Oh, let's get cooler. Hello world. This is a test. Oh, let's say this is a Teleku test. How about that? In German.
601. The application URL could not be located.
I don't know what that is. Let's call it again. Skype.
Agilent. The existentes Teleku.
I understood Teleku. And let's hear this in Swedish. SW, I believe. Let's call it via SIP.
Welcome to Teleku.
Ello dunia. Miliani Teleku.
Well, that is pretty darn cool. So add that to your repertoire of cool features to add when you're building out a new phone application. We'll see you next time.